Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I have my monthly subscription from a&aglitter. I first got my glitters last month, I think it was like the 19th, and then all of a sudden I got this one. Don't ask about the bloody crystals, okay? Don't ask. Okay, I'll just pull it out one by one. These are adorable. So we have, I'm not showing you. So we have some gold and silver shells, different sized shells. Excuse me, there's some starfish. Some more shells, some anchors. Oh my god, they're so cute. Some seahorses and some suns. How cute. Oops. Then we have some foils. Love me some foils. So we have this beautiful marble. I really like that. Then a galaxy one. I think I've got that. Cute. Another marble one. They're cute. Well, that's really nice. Pretty. I like that as well. They are cute. Oh, we've got another wheel. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Those, they are like, let me, God, sorry. You know, like the stars. I've got to try and find it now. Yeah, this, you know them. That is like that. They're beautiful. I've never seen those before. Look. Oh, I really like that. Oh. Oh, they're so pretty. Can you see them? They've got like little diamonds on them. Oh, they're lovely. I really like those. Ooh. I just did some nails with some dried flowers. Very cute. What else do we have? Oh, I got quite a lot, didn't I? Oh, I got some more. How do you open this? Let's just rip it. Okay, so I've got some more Galaxy foils. Yeah, I've got these. I've got these ones already, so I will put these ones in a giveaway. But they are really pretty. And this one. No, look. Oh dear. Struggling just a little bit. Do you know what? I'll do them after. Right. Then, oh my goodness. Do you know what? Joe had sent me a 9D gel polish and I didn't have a magnet and now I do. So there is a rectangle and a circle. I was about to say square. Yay. I'm happy I've got that. Oops. Ooh, I think we have a pigment. A&A, oh my goodness, Magic Cat eye powder. Okay, so does this work as a, it's already open. That is pretty, it's like a dark, I don't think you're gonna see, it looks like a really dark purple with like really super fine blue glitter in it. Ooh, that is very interesting. I will make a video on that. How interesting. Okay, so you get a an applicator with it. That is really cool. Okay, I'm intrigued. It's now onto the glitters. So it comes in this little envelope baggie. Okay, so we have, oops, Fairy Cakes Special Mix. Oh my goodness, look at that. So it's pinks and purples. See some iridescence in that. That is so pretty. I love a lot. Then we have Out of This World Space Mix. Okay, I like that they've added the yeah, so there's some holographic tinsels, there's some gold diamonds. What the hell is that? Don't tell me that is a bloody astronaut. It is, look. There's an astronaut. There's some really tiny four-sided stars, some tinsel. And then there's some bigger stars. Oh wow. How many sides does that have? Eight sides. Have you ever seen a star that's got 8 sides? Well, now you have. That's really cute. I like. Then we have Holographic Red Rose. No. Holographic Rose Gold. Red Rose. What's wrong with you? Oh, yes. My camera's not going to pick how beautiful that is. It's not going to pick it up at all. That's very beautiful. It's like a fine glitter. Then we have Frozen Princess, it's just a special mix. I think all these glitters are special. Okay, so we have some, it's like aqua. Yeah, some aqua circles, they're holographic. Some big ones and the smaller ones, and there's some iridescent hexagons and some tiny ones. And there's some stars. They are so pretty. I love a lot. Okay, then we have Dali mixture. I feel as if I've got this one. Yeah, I've got this one, but I'm not sure if it's from a&aglitter or Glitter Stella. But all the same, I love it. So as you can see in the lid, it's got some black hexagons, there's some pink stars, there's some green, yellow and pink flowers. Yeah, so that's super pretty. Then we have 3D triangles, titanium. Did I say? Yeah, I did. Triangles. Let me take a couple out so you can see. They're cute. I don't think I've got any triangles, but now I do. Okay, then we have this one, Holo Ruby Red, some MultiMax. Okay, so there's some small hexagons and some super fine, or not super fine, it's fine glitter. Why is it looking so dark? That's a bit better, isn't it? That's pretty. Then we have Holo Silver Mermaid Scales. Oh wow. My camera's not going to pick that up, but they are super holographic. Yeah, they're beautiful. Lovely, lovely. Then we have Graffiti Mega Mix. I feel I've got this one as well. I don't know. No, I definitely don't have this one. This one's really pretty. So it has all different coloured hexagons, and then there's smaller ones, and then there's some fine. Beautiful. And then lastly we have Broken Glass Pink. Ooh, so it's like a mylar. It feels like a bit thicker than mylar, do you know what I mean? That's pretty, I like that colour a lot. So, this is it. I think I get the gold subscription, which is £20 plus £3, not sure, £3 something, for say £3.50 postage, and it's second class signed for. So all in all, I am happy. The foils that I have will go in a giveaway. Yeah, and I'm going to definitely do a video on this. Magic Cat Eye powder. I'm intrigued. Well, I'm super pumped. Sorry, I just hit the camera. I'm so happy that I got this magnet. And I love all my glitters. And I love it all. Anyway, I'm off now, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I will leave the link to a&aglitter down below. Also, I have a link for you to get 10% off. So if you would like to use that, please do. It is an affiliate code. So yes. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.